In this video, I will show you how to train Chatgpt to become your personal professional email writing assistant to streamline your daily communications. Let's get started. First, I'm heading over to my prepared notes to copy a comprehensive set of custom instructions. These instructions define my persona, Josh Cruz, and set strict rules for tone, length, and specific phrases to avoid. I'll paste this prompt into the chat box and hit enter. As you can see, Chatgpt acknowledges the new rules, confirming it will focus on being professional, confident, and concise while skipping those tired opening lines like, "I hope this email finds you well." Now that the foundation is set, let's provide the first task. I'm copying the details for a follow-up email to Marco Santos regarding a social media management proposal. Once I paste this in, Chatgpt instantly generates a structured email that highlights the key proposal points and the April 10th deadline, keeping it well under the word count limit I set earlier. Next, I want to see how it handles a meeting request. I'll copy the requirements for an email to James Santos at Retail Plus. I'm asking for a 20-minute meeting to discuss a new content strategy. After pasting the request, Chatgpt produces a direct and confident invitation that includes specific time slots and clearly explains the benefits of the meeting. Finally, let's try a more sensitive task. I'm copying the details for a professional email to decline a job offer from DigiWave Incorporated. I paste the information, and Chatgpt drafts a warm, gracious response that declines the offer clearly without being repetitive or overly explanatory. By setting these ground rules once, I can now generate high-quality, consistent business emails in just a few seconds. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.